You can trust China coming out with awesome futuristic innovations, but this time it's dominating even the wheels department. It's rapidly emerging as a global leader in engine innovation, that Chinese advancements are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The country's technology is showing a speedy pace, challenging the US to keep up with its rapid revolution. Time to meet these both beauty and quality new generation engines in the market. China's BYD Yangwang U8.
Meet the Yangwang U8, the Chinese all-electric super SUV.
The BYD Yangwang U8 from China is making headlines as the world's first floating SUV. This innovative vehicle boasts a hydraulic system that allows it to rise or lower by 150 meters, making it a formidable presence on the road, all for a price tag of $50,000. One of its standout features is its ability to perform a tank turn, executing a full 360-degree spin while remaining stationary, perfect for making a stylish statement when parked. When it comes to aquatic adventures, the base model can float in water up to 1 meter deep, while the off-road variant can handle depths of 1.5 meters. In case of an emergency, like being caught on a flooded street, the U8 automatically activates its emergency floating mode. This mode ensures comfort by shutting off the engine, sealing the windows, turning on the air conditioning, and opening the sunroof. It can stay buoyant for up to 30 minutes and move at a speed of 3 km per hour, making it a practical option for escaping tricky situations. Though it's not designed for leisurely lake outings, it's important to note that this floating capability is strictly for emergencies, and using it for fun is discouraged. After engaging the floating mode, the vehicle will need a service check once the suspension is retracted. The U8 sets a new standard for SUVs, merging cutting-edge technology, safety, and adaptability in a way that could redefine off-roading and water navigation, albeit primarily in emergency scenarios. US SkyTrain in China.
China's new suspended monorail here in Wuhan. Let's go.
China has unveiled an exciting innovation, the first unmanned aerial train. While it may not soar through the skies like a traditional jet, its design is undeniably futuristic. This SkyTrain operates on a monorail that spans an impressive 10.5 kilometers. Traveling at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, it can accommodate up to 200 passengers at a time, essentially performing the same function as a conventional train, just elevated above the ground. Remarkably, the construction of this monorail took only 7 months. That's the same time frame it typically takes to lay down standard train tracks. But this option offers increased capacity, fewer accidents, and comparable costs. It's a clear win-win situation. What makes this even more fascinating is that the SkyTrain isn't merely a flashy new toy. It has the potential to revolutionize urban transportation. Its elevated structure sidesteps the chaos of ground-level traffic, providing a quicker, more efficient journey. Additionally, its smaller footprint allows for more room to develop other urban amenities like parks and roadways. This represents a leap forward in public transit, merging cutting-edge technology with practical benefits, enhanced efficiency, improved safety, and significantly more space. This aerial train could very well transform the future of city travel. EHang 266S. A significant breakthrough in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for passenger transport is the EHang 266S, created by the Chinese firm EHang. This innovative drone taxi offers a fresh solution to urban mobility challenges. Designed for short to medium distance flights, the EHang 266S features 8 pairs of electric rotors and can carry 2 passengers. Its eco-friendly and quiet operation makes it particularly suitable for city environments. What distinguishes this aerial taxi is its full autonomy. The flight control system handles takeoff, navigation, and landing without any human intervention. Moreover, the EHang 266S is equipped with top-notch safety features, ensuring that it can safely complete its journey and execute an emergency landing even if one rotor fails. With a maximum speed of 130 km per hour, and an operational ceiling of 3,000 meters, it is tailored for swift and efficient travel within urban areas and their outskirts. The EHang 266S represents a leap toward the future of urban transportation, merging advanced technology with safety and environmental advantages, offering an exciting preview of what aerial commuting may soon entail. NIO ET9. In the world of electric vehicles, NIO's ET9 sedan is making waves with its groundbreaking features. One standout capability is its ability to shake off snow from its roof, much like a dog would, eliminating the need for a snow brush. During a recent showcase, the ET9 demonstrated its unique chassis and hydraulic suspension by swaying side to side to clear snow without any help. Just a heads up, if you have loose items in the cabin, like a coffee cup, make sure to secure them before the car starts its shaking routine, or you might end up with a messy surprise. When it debuted at the end of last year, the ET9 represented the pinnacle of luxury and advanced technology. With a dual-motor drivetrain that delivers 77 horsepower, it promises swift and robust performance. The engine is cleverly positioned under the floor, or more accurately, beneath the hood. Plus, its 120 kWh battery offers an impressive range of 255 km and can be charged in just 5 minutes for a quick return to the road. Priced at around $110,000, the NIO ET9 is the ideal choice for anyone looking to turn heads while enjoying a ride of elegance and sophistication. Lazareth LMV 496. Introducing the Lazareth LMV 496. The pioneering electric motorbike that transforms into a flying machine, and it's every bit as innovative as it sounds. Designed by French engineer Ludovic Lazareth, this remarkable vehicle merges the exhilaration of high-speed road riding with the thrill of soaring through the air. On the ground, the LMV 496 operates as a robust electric motorcycle, boasting a range of approximately 60 miles for a swift and smooth journey. But the real magic happens when you activate a switch. 4 jet engines nestled in the wheel hubs tilt downward, propelling the bike into the skies. These kerosene-powered jet turbines unleash an astonishing 1,300 horsepower, enabling the LMV 496 to achieve short flights lasting up to 10 minutes. It's the ultimate fusion of motorcycle and jet technology, ready to elevate your adventures. This innovative design reimagines personal transportation, seamlessly blending the functionality of a motorcycle with the advanced capabilities of vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. As a limited edition marvel, the Lazareth LMV 496 comes with a price tag of around $500,000, a testament to its groundbreaking engineering and design. If you've ever envisioned transitioning from the road to the air, the LMV 496 offers a glimpse into the future of travel, where the possibilities for adventure are limitless. Get ready. This is one unforgettable journey. GAC presents Gove. At their recent Tech Day event, GAC, a Chinese automotive company, introduced an astonishing innovation, the Gove flying car. This revolutionary vehicle is engineered to operate both on the ground and in the sky, merging the practicality of driving with the exhilaration of flight. The Gove features a distinctive design, consisting of a single passenger capsule mounted on a 4-wheel chassis, where the lower section serves as a wheeled platform, and the upper section is a detachable drone equipped with 6 folding blades. What truly sets this vehicle apart is its ability to effortlessly transition between driving and flying modes. It operates autonomously, eliminating the need for manual controls. Inside the cabin, users can easily input their destination using a tablet interface. Another impressive aspect is the Gove's capability to autonomously navigate to a recharging station mid-flight, allowing owners to avoid downtime while it charges. When on the road, the chassis functions like an electric vehicle, ensuring smooth navigation through urban environments. The Gove signifies a remarkable advancement in personal transportation, fusing state-of-the-art technology with practical use and providing a glimpse into the future of mobility. The Flyer. Get ready, thrill seekers. The Flyer has arrived. poised to elevate your personal travel experience, quite literally. This innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is revolutionizing the way we navigate our cities, allowing you to soar above the gridlock and head straight to your destination. While regulations for personal eVTOLs are still evolving, the Flyer offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of urban transport, where traffic snarls become a thing of the past. Picture yourself gliding over breathtaking cityscapes, effortlessly bypassing frustrating traffic jams and landing precisely where you want to be. The Flyer is equipped with cutting-edge safety features and user-friendly controls, making it accessible even for first-time flyers. This isn't just a fantasy. It's the dawn of a new era in personal mobility, promising unparalleled freedom and excitement. Whether you're an adventurous urbanite or simply fed up with gridlock, the Flyer is set to transform your daily commute into an exhilarating journey. Let's hope you're ready to take it to the skies. Robotaxi. Zoox, an Amazon subsidiary, has unveiled a revolutionary autonomous robotaxi that aims to transform urban transportation for ride-hailing services. This electric vehicle features a distinctive symmetrical design, enabling it to travel in either direction without the need to turn around. This innovative design allows it to navigate crowded city streets with remarkable agility, making it perfect for urban settings where space is at a premium. Inside, the cabin is roomy, accommodating up to 4 passengers in a comfortable face-to-face arrangement, which fosters a more social and enjoyable experience compared to conventional taxis. The bidirectional capability of the vehicle ensures it maintains 360-degree awareness for safe navigation, providing passengers with confidence during their journey. Equipped with an advanced array of sensors, including LiDAR, cameras, and radar, the vehicle boasts exceptional situational awareness and safety features to tackle any driving scenario. With a powerful battery, Zoox's robotaxi can achieve speeds of up to 75 mph and operate for as long as 16 hours on a single charge, making it an efficient choice for city travel. Although the exact pricing details are not disclosed, Zoox is concentrating on creating an autonomous ride-hailing service rather than selling individual vehicles. This approach positions Zoox as a potentially cost-effective and efficient option for urban mobility, offering a glimpse into the future of transportation. Are you ready to experience a ride from the future? Raptor. Roids Tech, a Japanese company, has just introduced the Raptor, a striking 3-wheeled mobility platform that's capturing attention. What makes this vehicle stand out is its innovative design. It consists of 2 distinct components, the upper design unit and the lower base block. These parts can be effortlessly detached or reattached, offering remarkable versatility and convenience. Equipped with a 48-volt battery, the Raptor can reach speeds of 30 km/h and travel up to 40 km on a single charge. As a motor-assisted bicycle, it requires a driver's license for operation. Roid Tech envisions the Raptor as a revolutionary solution not only for urban transportation, but also for fostering new business ventures, altering cultural perceptions, and reshaping the future of mobility infrastructure. With its blend of innovation, adaptability, and eco-friendliness, the Raptor is set to redefine urban commuting. The future of city travel is on the horizon, and it's arriving sooner than you might expect. Ridroid Kangoo. Engineers from the University of Tokyo and the Advanced Technology Center for Robotics have unveiled Ridroid Kangoo, an innovative robot that doubles as both a personal assistant and a mode of transportation. This versatile robot serves 2 main functions. It can follow its owner around, helping to carry groceries or other belongings, and it can transform into a scooter or Segway-like vehicle with a simple command. When it's time to ride, Kangoo shifts into vehicle mode, allowing users to zoom around at speeds of up to 10 km/h. The robot uses advanced mapping and positioning systems for autonomous navigation, and its environment recognition system ensures it can safely maneuver through its surroundings. For added control, there's also a manual mode, but in case of an emergency, Kangoo can take over to prevent any collisions. Although it's still in development, the creators envision a future where people can summon these robots like taxis for convenient, safe rides to work, the store, or wherever they need to go. The Ridroid Kangaroo is shaping up to be a futuristic mobility solution that combines assistance, convenience, and safety in one compact, high-tech design. A personal robot that can give you a lift? Sign me up. XPeng X3. XPeng Aero HT has recently introduced the XPeng X3, a remarkable flying car that boasts vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, creating a buzz in the transportation sector. Weighing approximately 1,936 kilos, the X3 features an innovative 8-rotor system that enables it to ascend and descend vertically, making it ideal for both terrestrial and aerial journeys. In car mode, it operates like any standard vehicle.
Well, they can bump it up. But imagine being able to buy all of this for $142,000. That's as much as...
providing a familiar driving experience. However, when it's time to take to the skies, the X3 seamlessly transitions to flight mode, allowing you to steer and control it with a steering wheel and gear lever, making aerial navigation feel effortless. The X3 can achieve a top speed of 130 km per hour and remains airborne for around 35 minutes. One of its standout features is the advanced recharging system, which allows the ground module to recharge the air module, enhancing its versatility and minimizing downtime. With options for both manual and automatic control, the X3 adapts easily to various scenarios. Inside, the cabin accommodates 2 passengers and offers an impressive 270 degrees panoramic view, blending the comfort of modern electric vehicles with the excitement of flying. The XPeng X3 redefines the concept of flying cars, integrating high performance, state-of-the-art technology, and practical usability into one exhilarating aerial experience. Jump Aero JA1. The Jump Aero JA1 is poised to revolutionize emergency response and personal air travel with its sleek aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is designed for speed and efficiency, ensuring you reach critical situations quicker than ever before. Whether responding to an emergency or making a quick journey, this compact aircraft utilizes state-of-the-art electric propulsion for a smooth, quiet, and emissions-free flight.
So this aircraft is electric propulsion, zero emission.
It's ideal for busy urban environments or remote locations where traditional vehicles may face challenges. Equipped with an intuitive control system and exceptional safety features, the JA1 is user-friendly and instills complete confidence in its operators. This aircraft is set to transform personal aviation and emergency response, offering a fast, dependable, and eco-friendly solution for urgent situations. Imagine it as the future of aviation, speedier, more sustainable, and ready to take you where you need to go in no time. Shane Electric Concept Car. Let us discuss the Shane, an innovative electric concept vehicle developed by Shane Chen, the creator of the original hoverboard. This advanced 2-wheeled electric car may appear toy-like at first glance, but it is designed to comfortably accommodate 5 adults. The interior evokes the sensation of preparing for a futuristic roller coaster ride, featuring a design that embodies cutting-edge aesthetics. The Shane's wheels are engineered to automatically adjust, ensuring the vehicle remains perfectly balanced as it accelerates. This intelligent design enables safe travel at high speeds. The vehicle's stability is achieved through a shifting center of gravity, which counteracts the forces generated during acceleration and braking. Consequently, the Shane provides the same level of stability and safety as a conventional 4-wheeled automobile, albeit with a unique twist. Chen's vision merges the excitement of a high-speed futuristic experience with essential safety and stability features, offering an extraordinary electric vehicle journey. The Shane transcends the definition of a car. It represents a vision of the future of transportation, transforming the concept of a modern 2-wheeled high-speed vehicle. Toyota Concept iWalk. One of Toyota's most innovative AI-driven vehicles, the Concept iWalk, is garnering attention as a distinctive and practical solution for traversing pedestrian areas. This 3-wheeled apparatus is specifically engineered for short-distance urban travel. Equipped with an electric motor, it can achieve a range of up to 20 kilometers, making it particularly suitable for swift city journeys. In contrast to a hoverboard, the iWalk incorporates 3 wheels and utilizes a joystick for navigation, which significantly reduces the level of skill required for operation. This design allows even senior citizens to maneuver this cutting-edge vehicle with ease. As the speed of the iWalk increases, it dynamically adjusts its wheelbase by extending and expanding, thereby enhancing stability and ensuring a comfortable ride. The vehicle offers a distance range of 10 to 20 kilometers on a single charge, and its joystick is complemented by a spherical display for user interaction with its AI system. The integration of AI technology enables the vehicle to function autonomously, providing users with an added layer of convenience, whether navigating through bustling city streets or maneuvering in crowded spaces. The iWalk exemplifies the future of personal mobility, delivering a safe, effortless, and technologically advanced transportation experience. Honda Moto Compacto. Honda is at the forefront of transportation innovation with the launch of the Honda Moto Compacto, a modern reinterpretation of its classic gas-powered scooter that debuted nearly 4 decades ago. Introduced in September 2023, this contemporary model is tailored for short urban journeys, achieving a top speed of 24 km/h and offering a travel range of up to 19 km on a single charge. Weighing a mere 18.7 kg, it is designed to be compact and easily portable. The Moto Compacto requires a charging duration of 3.5 hours, enhancing its practicality for daily use. Users can experience enhanced power with straightforward control, facilitated by a button located beneath the display that allows for switching between speed settings. The initial mode capping at 16 km/h. With a price point of $1,000, this scooter is not intended for heavy-duty applications. Instead, it provides a fun and visually appealing means of urban transportation. Ideal for errands or leisurely excursions in the park, the Honda Moto Compacto offers an engaging and stylish solution.
The rear wheel is here. There's a wheel release. So you pull this out and then you turn it.
For those seeking an efficient way to navigate their neighborhoods, thereby making urban mobility both exciting and accessible. Haven't seen what you exactly want? Keep watching. You might like the next one on the list. Yamaha Motoroid. The Yamaha Motoroid represents a groundbreaking advancement in motorcycle design, characterized by its ability to recognize its rider, respond to physical gestures, maintain balance autonomously, park itself, and engage in non-verbal communication. This innovative concept motorcycle integrates artificial intelligence, self-stabilizing mechanisms, and haptic feedback, fostering a novel interaction between the rider and the vehicle. More than merely a mode of transportation, the Yamaha Motoroid functions as an interactive companion.
AI-driven image recognition, so it will learn the user's face, will learn their gestures.
It possesses facial recognition capabilities, can track the rider's movements, and reacts to verbal commands, thereby enhancing the personal and futuristic nature of the riding experience. Additionally, the motorcycle is equipped to project essential information into the rider's field of vision, attracted focus on the road ahead. Through its state-of-the-art technology, the Motoroid transforms the conventional understanding of motorcycles, evolving them into intelligent, engaging entities. Prepare to welcome a new era of motorcycling, where the bike transcends its mechanical origins to become a true partner in exploration. Honda Uni One. Honda has introduced an advanced mobility experience that leverages extended reality, fundamentally altering our interaction with vehicles. This cutting-edge system integrates both augmented and virtual reality to establish an engaging driving atmosphere, enhancing the experience of navigating urban environments. Imagine operating a vehicle with real-time augmented reality displays on your windshield, which illuminate points of interest, provide traffic updates, and more, all while you navigate through the city. However, the Honda experience extends beyond mere navigation. The system includes virtual reality training simulations designed for novice drivers, enabling them to refine their skills across diverse driving scenarios. Additionally, passengers can partake in interactive entertainment, transforming the vehicle into a vibrant space for virtual explorations, games, and other activities. Beyond the elements of enjoyment and convenience, Honda's system prioritizes safety through sophisticated driver assistance technologies. These features offer alerts and guidance aimed at accident prevention, contributing to a more secure and seamless travel experience. Through the extended reality mobility experience, Honda is redefining the intersection of technology and transportation, rendering driving more engaging, secure, and forward-looking than ever before. Hydrofoil Jet Ski Flyway. Slovenian engineer David Vukovic has unveiled an innovative watercraft known as the Hydrofoil Jet Ski Flyway. This electric jet ski incorporates cutting-edge technology and a novel design, allowing it to glide seamlessly above the water's surface. Capable of achieving speeds of up to 88 km per hour and covering distances of up to 100 km on a single charge, the Flyway is ideally suited for those seeking excitement and adventure. What distinguishes the Flyway is its incorporation of hydrofoils, which significantly minimize water resistance. This feature not only enhances speed and range, but also ensures a smoother and more enjoyable riding experience. The craft is equipped with an intuitive control system, enabling operators to navigate with ease, even at elevated speeds. With a focus on environmental sustainability, the Flyway operates nearly silently and emits no harmful pollutants. It represents an exhilarating option for water sports enthusiasts who wish to engage in their passion while remaining environmentally responsible. The Flyway allows riders to experience the thrill of the waves while prioritizing sustainability. InMotion V14. The advent of e-bikes and e-scooters has significantly transformed the landscape of commuting, providing environmentally friendly alternatives to conventional modes of transport. However, for those who find two wheels excessive, the InMotion V14 unicycle presents an innovative solution. This remarkable single-wheeled device can achieve speeds of up to 110 km per hour and conquer inclines of up to 50 degrees, making it suitable for a variety of terrains, including gravel and dirt paths. In comparison to traditional bicycles,
V14, the Adventure, all set up. We've got the Grizzly pads to our liking.
the InMotion V14 is compact and easy to store, embodying a minimalist philosophy in personal transportation while maintaining high performance. Its agility and versatility cater to riders seeking an exhilarating and efficient commuting experience. Embrace the future of transportation with the InMotion V14, where one wheel may indeed suffice. Origo. Origo is at the forefront of autonomous transportation, providing innovative solutions tailored for a variety of sectors. Their self-driving vehicles are engineered to enhance both efficiency and safety across diverse settings, including airports and urban centers. These state-of-the-art vehicles are outfitted with sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence, enabling them to navigate intricate routes and avoid obstacles with remarkable accuracy. The versatility of Origo's autonomous pods is particularly noteworthy. They are suitable for a range of applications, including passenger transport, cargo delivery, and mobile retail services, making them ideal for addressing contemporary urban mobility challenges. A standout characteristic is their capability to operate effectively in various weather conditions, ensuring dependable performance throughout the year. Additionally, Origo's electric-powered pods contribute to the reduction of emissions, promoting cleaner air in urban environments. The company places a strong emphasis on sustainability and intelligent technology, featuring a software platform that integrates effortlessly with pre-existing infrastructure. This facilitates rapid deployment without necessitating significant alterations to the surrounding environment. In summary, Origo is transforming the landscape of autonomous transportation with intelligent, sustainable, and adaptable solutions poised to redefine the future of urban mobility. Rosenbauer RT. The Rosenbauer RT represents a significant advancement in firefighting technology developed by the Austrian firm Rosenbauer. This fire engine redefines traditional concepts of fire apparatus, facilitating rapid access to essential equipment for firefighters. Notably, the RT features a hybrid powertrain, positioning it among the most innovative fire trucks available today.
I think that improves communications a lot. We need fire trucks to get to the scene.
Equipped with a high-voltage energy storage system, the RT can operate on electric power, even at emergency sites, thereby minimizing noise and reducing exhaust emissions, which contributes positively to environmental sustainability. The design of the Rosenbauer RT is tailored to address contemporary challenges, such as urbanization, climate change, and the evolving requirements of modern firefighting professionals. Its compact yet striking design not only enhances aesthetic appeal, but also ensures high functionality and adaptability. The RT exemplifies the evolution of fire trucks towards greater efficiency, environmental responsibility, and responsiveness to the dynamic needs of fire services. Through its cutting-edge technology and progressive design philosophy, the RT establishes a new benchmark for firefighting vehicles. The competition between the two countries. The race between the United States and China in the development of next-generation transportation and vehicles reflects a broader technological and economic rivalry. Both nations are investing heavily in innovative solutions to revolutionize mobility, from electric vehicles, EVs, and autonomous systems to groundbreaking concepts like flying cars and Hyperloop technology. China has emerged as a global leader in EV production, supported by extensive government subsidies and a rapidly growing domestic market. Companies like BYD, NIO, and EHang are setting benchmarks with vehicles such as electric SUVs, drone taxis, and hydrogen-powered cars. Meanwhile, the United States, home to pioneers like Tesla and Rivian, leads in high-performance EV technology and autonomous driving systems, leveraging its Silicon Valley ecosystem to push innovation. China's approach focuses on affordability and scalability, aiming to dominate global markets by producing efficient and cost-effective solutions. In contrast, the US emphasizes advanced features, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, catering to premium markets. The competition extends to infrastructure, with China rapidly expanding EV charging networks.
EV time! This is an up-and-coming Manchester-based EV charging network.
And high-speed rail systems, while the US invests in autonomous road networks and clean energy policies. This rivalry not only drives innovation, but also shapes the future of global transportation trends. As both nations compete to outpace each other, the advancements they make promise to redefine how the world moves, creating a dynamic landscape of possibilities for the future of mobility. As the global race for innovation in transportation intensifies, the United States is making significant strides in developing new engines for 2025 that promise to revolutionize mobility. These advancements focus on sustainability, efficiency, and performance, aligning with the growing demand for cleaner and more powerful technologies. American automakers and aerospace companies are working on a range of innovations, including next-generation electric motors, hydrogen fuel cells, and hybrid propulsion systems that aim to reduce carbon emissions without compromising on power or range. Companies like Tesla and General Motors are leading the charge in electric vehicle motors, enhancing energy density and performance while lowering production costs. In the aerospace sector, firms such as Boeing and SpaceX are pioneering engines that use sustainable aviation fuels, SAFs, and advanced rocket propulsion systems designed for efficiency and reusability. Military and defense sectors are also contributing to engine innovation, focusing on hybrid electric technologies for drones and aircraft to improve endurance and stealth capabilities. Additionally, the US government's investments in clean energy initiatives are fostering breakthroughs in hydrogen fuel technology, positioning hydrogen-powered engines as a viable alternative for both ground and air transportation. These developments reflect the US's commitment to maintaining a competitive edge in the global market while addressing environmental concerns. By combining technological advancements with sustainability goals, the new engines expected in 2025 will not only enhance transportation, but also pave the way for a greener and more innovative future in mobility. This surge in innovation underscores America's role as one of the top leaders in shaping the next generation of propulsion technologies. As for China, it continues to push the boundaries of transportation technology. These groundbreaking innovations are undeniably setting the stage for the future of travel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content like this.